Hi everyone, today's stock is Clorox. Now we all know that with the pandemic that's going on around the world, a lot of people have been paying more attention to their hygiene. In particular is Kleenex materials, things that they can use for wiping things. Well, one of the companies that is behind a lot of these products that is used for cleaning is a company called Clorox. Now, Clorox is a company that most people know about. We use it in all our homes. We use it for all kinds of stuff. But what most people do not know is that, yes, we've been hearing about things flying off the shelf, but hey, what about the stock of Clorox? Now, it's very interesting. I'm showing you here the chart of Clorox, where if we notice what's happened with the stock market and how so many stocks are going down, we are literally in a bear market. But guess what? The stocks of Clorox has actually been going up and up and up. Each month, the shares of Clorox price has been going higher and higher and higher, and that makes total sense. So where a lot of people are out there buying, toilet papers and all these kind of stuff to store at home, which is good, but what about taking some of that money too and actually buying the shares of this stuff so you can actually make something in these companies? So we have been watching this, and we wanted to see, hey, when is a good time to start buying shares in Clorox all over again? Because at the end of the day, what you don't want to do is be the type of person who's buying and then finding out, hey, you know what, you bought too early or you bought too late. How can we make sure that we're buying at the right time is an essential thing that we need to do. So we like Clorox simply from the fact that you can look at the chart, the fundamentals are really great. This is a great company. The products are good. It's something that everybody uses. So how can we determine when is a good time to start buying it? For that, we go to our Magenta software. Now, Magenta software, for those people who don't know, is a technical analysis interpretation software. And what it basically does is it takes all the technical analysis that is out there that we use to help us determine what's going on and puts you on the right side of that particular stock, meaning that the stock is going down, it lets you know that the stock is going down. But if the stock is going up, this is a good time for you to start buying the stock. And one of the things we've been doing is we've been watching it. So if you come down here to the 25th of March, you can see based on the trade action up here where it says conditions and trade action, it says, look, don't do anything. Just hold on to it. Don't buy it. Don't sell it. Don't do anything. If you haven't bought it yet, don't get into it. Right over here on the 26th, it said, look, if you've already shorted the stock, meaning that you bet it against the stock to go down, well, that might not be a good idea. You might want to place some stops, some protection to get you out of the trade. And it did the same thing the next day after that and the next day after that. But we have been watching this and said, look, tell us when is a good time to start buying. When lo and behold, on April 2nd, all of a sudden it's telling us now is a good time to start buying. If you were to wonder if it's a good time to be buying a stock like this, we are not making any recommendations, so let's be very clear about this, but the software is letting us this might not be a bad time based on technical analysis to start looking into the stocks. If you guys like what you heard or you agree with what we're talking about, what do you know about Clorox that other people can probably learn from? Please make sure that you comment below. And if you're a new person to our page, and you like our content, you want to see more of this, click on the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notify button to bell as well, so that way as we come up with new analysis of individual stocks and the market as a whole, you'll be informed as well. So that's our stock for today. Pretty cool. See you guys next time.